Good morning, everybody. We are here at the Eastern Architectural Systems 90,000 square foot addition this morning in Fort Myers. We've got Eric Schneider, our project manager, and George Chris-Tel, our superintendent. And we're live this morning. So guys, what's going on this morning?
Currently, we're finishing up the structural steel by installing the bracing on the purlins and the X-bracing for the structural framing. We've got a little hole over here in the building above the office. We'll be setting the precast plank Tuesday of next week.
And how big is this office?
The office is only 1,600 square feet, but it's part of a 90,000 square foot addition to the existing facility.
So as you can see, this is the front of the addition. 90,000 square foot is pretty big. So we're gonna kind of pan around. And it goes all the way back there, and that's the current building right there. This is kind of an L-shaped addition.
Yeah, he's got mostly set up for storage and warehousing. There's a small amount of manufacturing facility over here in the corner, but the balance of it's going to be for warehousing.
And distribution. So what's the next step after we get this structural steel set?
Well, after the structural steel goes in, and after that hollow core plank goes in, we'll have to pour a 2-inch topping slab on the top of the hollow core plank. And then after that's done, we'll be able to close in the rest of the purlins on the roof. Once that's done, the siding will start going on all the way around the building, starting in front of the office area. We'll work our siding all the way around the building. Once the siding is in place, then we'll put the roof on. So we're probably 6 to 8 weeks away from having this thing dried in.
Okay.
After we pour the slab over here, and after we've got the first section of roof we put on will be right over this office area. That will allow us to get started with all the interior framing and the plumbing and electrical and everything to get the office area. So we'll be bringing that up, completing that at the same time we'll be putting the roof on, so it'll all like come together at the same time.
Cool.
Projected completion date's about July 4th to July 11th.
And when did we start this job, Eric?
I don't recall. I would say, I think it was end of December, early January, we made the first concrete pour.
Yeah, and that was an overnight pour, right, George?
Yeah, that was a late night pour.
Yeah.
We did the concrete pour in 2 stages. Phase 1 was 956 yards.
Okay.
And then the second phase came in at right around 1,020 or something like that. And we're standing on the slab pour for phase 2 right now. That was pretty uneventful. We started at 10 o'clock at night and it went in clean.
What subcontractor do we have working on the steel today?
We have GFLA and West Coast Structural around site at the moment.
There's the
GFLA is
office.
the iron worker. The Curb Building Systems, the premium building company out of Tennessee.
Okay. So we're walking towards the east side of the building, towards the back. That's an inside joke for Molly that doesn't know direction.
We're setting up the forms right now to do the last tie beam pour,
Okay.
which is going to happen on Monday morning.
So they're putting up, so if you can see this guy up here, he's putting all these up. And what does this do? It just secures it even more?
It's a purlin stiffener.
Okay.
It's a midpoint stiffener to the structure for the roof integrity.
And that's for code and for hurricane
Wind loading
and all that stuff?
Yep, absolutely.
Okay. So this is the current building that we actually built, finished in 2015. It's 172,000 square foot, largest concrete pour in Lee County at the time. And we're adding on another 90,000 square foot to this facility. And we recently completed another building for our same owner over in Lake Worth for his business over there. So this is the 3rd project we've done with this client, which is awesome. And we're on schedule to be done July 4th, you said?
Yep.
Okay. So we're headed towards the back of the building, or the addition rather, to show you guys, as you can see, this giant facility. It may not look as big on camera, but it's pretty big. loading docks, right?
Yep. Yes, ma'am.
So we'll take a look at back here. Say hi, guys. You're on Facebook Live.
Hi. Hey, hi.
So these are going to be the loading docks back here, and as you can see over here, that's the current facility. And
We're going to be installing a wall that starts over here in the corner and comes out 70 feet
okay,
and slopes down. The same thing, turn around over here. We're going to put another wall that starts on the corner of the building, comes out 70 feet over there, and this will be one giant ramp that goes right into the 5 different loading docks.
okay. Which is the same as this or different than that?
A little bit different.
Okay,
Those are recessed truck docks. Ours will be a floor level truck dock.
okay. As you can see the back, all of these loading docks for all their trucks and whatnot. You gotta pan it because this building's so big. Anything else we want to add, gentlemen? George?
Can you zoom in on that material laying over there by the fence? Those are all the roof panels
Okay.
that are going to be systematically installed all the way across the top.
And that's going to be done after the siding and stuff is
Yes.
put on.
This system requires that we put the wall panels in first and then the roof panels on second.
Gotcha. And then for interiors, you said there's only one office, so really, is there any more interior aside from the office to be done, or no?
No, basically just gonna clean and seal the floor, install lights and sprinkler system out in the manufacturing and warehousing area, and that's about it.
And will he have a rack system in there like he does in the other
He's
building?
got,
Okay.
I think, over 100 racks that are at least 4 tiers high.
And we'll install those as well.
Yep.
Well, awesome. Well, thank you guys. I appreciate you. Say hi, you're on Facebook Live.
Hi.
I appreciate you guys taking the time to show us kind of the progress on this facility. And we will catch you on the next episode of Chris Television, everyone. Have a great weekend.